Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and trying for the first time product from Gerlain. And as you can see in the unboxing, I ordered the new Terracotta Le Teint makeup base from Gerlain. And I ordered in the shade 2 and Neutral. It's the new Terracotta makeup base from Gerlain. Um, for the purchase, they sent me a few gifts, and one of the gifts is this sample of the new Gerlain Terracotta Le Teint, if that's the way you pronounce it, in the same shade 2 and Neutral. So I'm going to be trying for the first time this makeup base. I'm gonna try the sample in case it doesn't match with my skin. I'm gonna be able to return or exchange the bottle for a new shade. I'm going to be applying the sample on my face to see how the makeup base look on my skin, and I'm gonna be using this sponges that they sent me or that they gifted me for the purchase. And this is like a first impression video on this makeup base from Gerlain Terracotta Le Teint. I think it was launched here in the USA in March. I received an email of this product and I quickly placed an order so I can try it because I really like Gerlain makeup bases. Let's do it right now. Well, let me show you how the new Terracotta Le Teint makeup base the Gerlain's looks like. The cap is plastic and it has the same design of old terracotta makeup from Gerlain, and I really like it. I really like the color and I really like that logo. And this is the bottle. The bottle is glass, and I think this is 1 ounce, 1.1 ounce, 35 ml of product. And like I mentioned before, I really like it. It's very simplistic. I'm going to try the sample on my skin. It's on the same shade 2 and Neutral. Yeah, it's the same shade. So let's try the sample, because if the sample doesn't fit my skin or I don't like how it looks, I can take it back to the store. I'm gonna use one of these to apply my makeup. I really hope this color match my skin, because I don't really want to be exchanging them. Oh yeah, I think it's good. I think it's good. I really like how it feels, very buttery. I like the feeling. This sponge is dry, so I think I'm gonna need more than that. But I really like how it looks. Okay, let's apply a little more. I hope it's not too much. That way you can see. That way you can see the real thing. Okay. It has fragrance, okay? I don't really like fragrances on my makeup, but the fragrance from Gerlain, I really like it. But if you don't like fragrance, let me tell you, this has fragrance. I'm glad that I don't have to return this makeup base to the store because this shade, it seems like it's a good match with my skin. So this is the first impression, and the first impression is positive. I pick a good shade, but it does have a lot of fragrance. It's very strong. It's very strong. What do you think? As you can see, it looks a lot better than how I began. I really like to apply my makeup bases with brushes and all my fingers because I think I can blend it better than with the sponge. But today application has been with the sponge. I didn't wet the sponge. I really don't know if I have to wear it. But I think it looks nice. I'm gonna keep it because the shade match with my skin. I like it, and I'm going to wear it through the day and see how it feels later on. Hopefully it doesn't dry my skin. That's one of the things I look in a foundation. I like my foundations when they don't dry my skin. I think the 2N is a good match with my skin because it looks natural. 2N neutral. Before I continue, let's do the transfer proof. Because they say here this is a no transfer foundation. So let's see if it transfer. No, nothing. It did transfer, but very, very minimum. So I think it passed the transfer test. Also, I like the fact that I don't think I have to be applying a lot of setting powder on top because it doesn't transfer, and that is a big deal for me because I really don't like to apply setting powders all over my face. I usually apply a little powder in my nose, chin, and forehead because that's where I get a little bit oily, but very minimum. So I really like the idea that this doesn't transfer and it doesn't feel dry. Now let's continue. Let me smell the fragrances and let me tell you a little story about my classic Gerlain Paris